Hi guys! Today we will be looking at the 8 parts of speech. The 8 parts of speech in the English language are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, or idea. For example, girl, Canada, goat, chair, happiness. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. For example, she, they, it. Verb. A verb expresses action or being. For example, dance or eat, become. Adjective. An adjective modifies or describes a noun or pronoun. For example, red, young, intelligent, beautiful. Adverb. An adverb modifies or describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. For example, well, calmly, carefully. Preposition. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to form a phrase modifying another word in the sentence. For example, until, since, over, with. Conjunction. A conjunction joins words, phrases, or clause. For example, and, because, for, unless. Interjection. An interjection is a word used to express emotion. For example, ouch, wow, well. Thank you very much, everyone. I hope this video was helpful. Please remember, you can look in the description and you will find many more videos to help you with grammar. You will also find videos to help you with reading. And please remember, our decodable books are available on Amazon. And please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!